In this video, we'll show you the 3 key methods to rolling back your shirt sleeves. Before we start, one variable of the rolled shirt is the gauntlet button near the cuff of your sleeve. For this first method, you can undo the gauntlet button if that's your preference. We'll start with the easiest method, the casual roll. Simply roll the cuff back and then fold the sleeve back once over top. Then secure the fold. The basic roll builds on the casual roll. We recommend unbuttoning the gauntlet for this one. Roll back your cuff as you would with a casual roll, and continue folding a couple more times. Then, secure the shirt and tuck in any loose sides. Finally, the master roll. It's a little sturdier than the basic roll. Unbutton the gauntlet and then fold back the cuff along with the sleeve, to the point on your arm where you'd like the roll to sit. Then, roll back the sleeve and secure the shirt. Looking good. And now you're ready for business.